Soloshot is a robot cameraman that automatically tracks and films you from up to 2,000 feet away. No cameraman? No problem.
Think about it. What is the most boring daily action we perform since childhood? Experts recommend washing teeth after each meal and brushing for at least 3 minutes. But honestly, who really does it? And who bothers always performing the right movements? Both manual and electric toothbrushes have been the same for decades. Often in a hurry, we brush our teeth mistakenly, which over time forces us to turn towards expensive and painful visits to the dentist. Have you ever thought you could brush your teeth perfectly in just 3 seconds? It's time to change your habits for the better with Unico.
Did you know your toothbrush misses almost half your tooth surfaces? Most of it is between your teeth. So we're told to floss. But who likes flossing? Anyone? That's what I thought. And I don't blame you. It's awkward, it's time consuming, and here's the real kicker. It's not even the most effective way to clean between your teeth, according to a recent Associated Press report. There has to be a better way. Until now, water flossers have been one of the only players in the game. They're tedious, messy, and more often than not end up stuffed under a cabinet. ToothShower is next level water flossing and so much more. It's a complete oral hygiene experience from the comfort of your shower. Simply attach it to your shower wall and hook it up to the water source. ToothShower uses water pressure so no annoying plugs or batteries are needed. It's got 3 different attachments for a triple thread approach to oral care. First, there's the dual-headed toothbrush, which hits the front, back, and chewing sides of your teeth for comprehensive surface coverage. Then there's the irrigating tip. It reaches where the toothbrush can't. It's like a water flosser, only it's in the shower, so it's no mess, no fuss. Because it's in the shower, you'll never run out of water, and you won't have to sacrifice any precious counter space. And let's not forget about the revolutionary gum massager. Irrigating and stimulating blood flow in your gums, this is a huge part of gum disease prevention. And in less than 10 seconds, you can flush out everything between all your teeth while massaging your gums. For the first time ever, you'll actually enjoy cleaning your teeth. With each attachment, you can adjust the water pressure and temperature to your comfort level, and use with your choice of water, mouthwash, or tooth whitener. When you're ready to switch attachments, just remove this one. Worried about getting water everywhere? Well, you're in the shower, so it doesn't matter. And with multiple attachments, the whole family can use ToothShower, which means better oral hygiene for everyone. That means a lot fewer expensive and painful dental procedures, and fewer instances of gum disease. You probably won't be surprised to learn it was created by a dental hygienist. ToothShower. The future of oral hygiene is in the shower.